My last minute tips for your GCSE maths exam. Coming from a girl who went from a grade 6 up to a grade 9, who isn't actually that good at maths. You don't have any time to waste, and I'm not about to waste any more of it, so let's go. Number one, do not think that it's too late to understand anything now. If you think, oh my goodness, there are so many topics that I don't understand and I'm actually cooked for the exam, the problem is probably just that you misunderstood a core concept. Like if you don't understand that the roots of any quadratic equation or any equation or where it touches the x-axis, then how are you meant to understand how you do an inequality? Or shade that on the graph? Or show anything on a graph? Not too late to understand, go and watch a YouTube video on it. Until the exam, be working on your weakest areas, those topics that you're consistently getting the questions wrong for. Those of you aiming for a grade 9, you need to be doing those problem solving questions, those questions that require you to apply knowledge from a variety of different topics to come to the correct answer. Now tips when you're in the exam. Do not leave anything blank. Even if you have no idea how to answer it, just shoving the numbers into some equation, you might get a method mark. You bang down a formula, one that is going to be applicable, picking out the key words of the question, you can identify, okay, this probably is a quadratic equation, this probably is this probably is that. Putting something down and trying to plug something into it, again, is much better than writing nothing. At least you have the chance of getting a mark and you haven't just completely sacrificed any chance you have. But on that, do not get stuck on anything at all. Obviously, some questions will require a bit more thought, but don't be sat there for like 20 minutes like, oh my goodness, I don't know how to answer it. Oh my goodness, I'm stupid. Leave it. Come back to it at the end if you have the time. Stick to a minute a mark. Very generic, but very true. Don't get stuck on a 2-mark question for like 10 minutes. Consider the order in which you do the paper. So some people like to start at the back because they feel like they're tackling the hardest questions first. They're fresh, they're awake, they're ready to go at them. For me, however, I liked to do the question paper in order because you're practicing your math skills throughout the paper and you will probably be doing a topic in that longer answer question that you had been practicing beforehand. Depending on what works for you, but remember that the questions do increase in difficulty and the hardest questions are always the ones at the back of the papers, those 6 markers. And by the way, I'm posting my top exam tips and tricks for every single one of your GCSE. Be sure to follow so you don't miss out. Best of luck in your exam. You are smart, you are capable, and you can get that target grade.